Hi everyone! So, andito kami sa Gab Water Park Resort. Dito sa, ano ini nga barangay? Ulhay? Magsay. Barangay Magsaysay ini. Dinhi sa, Leyte. So, ayan. Ito ang mga pamangkin ko. Mag-swimming na kami. So actually, katatapos lang ng piyesta. Katatapos ng piyesta dito sa barangay namin. So, maliligo kami. Ayun. I'm so excited. Alright, see you later again. Wow, looks pretty here. Magana din here.
Ay, first time mo, no?
Yes.
Tapos may volleyball pa
Yes.
din.
May mga activities ba dito?
Oh, yun, no, may billiard, may ano.
Ah, okay, good. Hi!
Wala pa sila.
Okay, let's go inside. Let's go inside na. Siyang yaya. Kuya, okay, hindi natatapos ang iyong pagkayaya. Lumaki na nga kami. Ang yaya na, ang apo-apo na sa tuhod. Hoy, waray na papa. Ikaw ang babaeng walang pahinga.
Babaeng walang matres naman. Grabe.
Walang matres na, wala pang pahinga. Out na tayo. Sa taas tayo? Out here? Wow. Ito try? Hay, ang jacuzzi natin. Ah, dito. Okay. Yes. So, dito ang jacuzzi. Ito yung jacuzzi. Wow! So, yan daw ang jacuzzi. Yan, meron pa dito isa. Ayan na sila. Din hinala.
Pwede natin, nagsusumakat ka man. Hindi natin nakita yung ko.
Kasana, yung, Mima, tawagin mo doon sila yung mga lalaki para magbitbit. Magbitbit. Wag ka na magbuhat niyan, Rex. Sila na. Tawaray. Yay. Kana yung pink na ano. Yung pink. Sinara mo agad. Sit down here for a minute. Ano?
Yeah, I wanna bring it to your bear.
Wow! Naka-open ang jacuzzi. Wala na. Ayan na sila. Ayan. Ada.
Nasaan sila, Papa? Yung pumasok kasi tayo sa sasakyan.
Tingnan mo yung asawa ko. Darling, you wanna go jacuzzi right away? Darling? You wanna go jacuzzi right away? Look, you just like sit and then, kind of scooch yourself.
That's cool. I don't know.
You wanna try?
Once I get in, how am I going to get out?
We'll figure it out, darling.
If I get out of here, that's the only thing. Ain't funny. When you can't do something. You know what I mean?
Tanggalin mo yung shoes ni Uncle. Hey, you better be careful over there, Aaron. Come on. Malalim yata yan dyan, Aaron.
to. Abot saan to na malalaki.
Abot siya naman. Kaya nga, don't go in there.
Yeah.
Make sure you put it somewhere where it stays cold.
Yeah, I got an ice cube over there. Haro, yan usaad to. Gintagayan na.
But not here.
Well, you can go down there too if you want.
That one is, sila Jacob yun? Ha? Si Jacob? Slippery.
You
That's
just
what I'm doing.
kind of scoot yourself.
I will, but I want to see how deep it is. I know it ain't deep. You need a... Sabi ko kumukulo lang to eh.
Kumukulo lang ba? Baka ano
You
lang.
can get in here and see how deep it is.
Ha?
Go put your toy to come up here real quick.
Choy!
Ay, dito daw. Kita daw ko na ba yung madalong?
See how deep that is.
Kung gano'n daw kalalim, Choy.
Scoot in and then drop out.
Careful, careful. Choy, alalayan mo, Choy. Ah, you
Yan.
like it?
Ayan.
Oh.
I know, wait.
You can sit
Is it
there.
better now?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
okay now.
Ah, okay.
I think I can get out too.
Oh,
Yeah.
you sorry, just
No, I'll be able to get out.
You just have to go, ano,
I'll be able to get out.
slowly.
Yay! Maligo ka na.
Take it off your hat na.
No, no, I don't take my hat off. No, no. I like this.
You like it?
Good. That's good.
I can just sit here and relax.
Yeah.
Okay. Go drink
Then
your
drink
beer.
beer.
You know, they didn't even know, you know what? They didn't even know where to go.
They got mixed up nga.
Yeah, all the time. You didn't go the way you were supposed to go.
They forgot.
You told me shortcut. And you know what that means?
Yeah,
It means long way.
because they're doing chismes.
Okay. Next. Just put it on na lang, Cassandra. There you go.
This is nice.
You like it?
Yeah, I'm okay now.
I'm glad you have fun. Okay. Ayan na sila. Wow! Ang sarap! Okay, hi everyone! Ano kami sa Gab Water Park Resort! Nagpaano kami? Kay mapaso na. Mapaso nga duro. Duro higod.
Parang hindi yata nakaon-aon ka.
Nakauna siya. Diba?
Very social. We're in jacuzzi.
Kuhaan ini, jacuzzi ini. Amo daw kuno. Sirinira. Sirinira.
But don't worry.
Darling! Hi, darling. Darling.
What is love?
This is my
Baby,
darling.
don't hurt me.
This is my jacket. Tara na.
Come again.
Hindi, Nay!
Okay, wait a minute.
Be careful.
Ambe, didi.
Sit down first.
Kunit. Madandog,
There you go.
madandog.
Now.
Dahan-dahan lang. Malalim, Nay. Dahan-dahan.
Dahan.
Eden! Come in. Is that me?
Yeah, init.
Thought it was Eden.
Init niya.
Be careful.
Ha? Ate, o sige, sige.
Hinahina natin yan. Diba?
Wow, we can get
Si Luisa talaga, mali talaga. Hindi niya alam kung ano yung namimiss niya. Ang sarap-sarap lang dito.
Kami ba siya pamit daw?
Ha?
Siya pamit.
Oh, diba?
Hoy, yung punini. Nakalimutan siya kapag lalo ko din. Nagreklamo
Black Rose!
Aring video! Kaya mag-YouTube na! Ano ka ba tayo dyan?
Sit down and get in. I can get in. Anybody can get in. I'm not bad at that.
Yan na. O, diba? Masa... Magana la?
Tama na ba siya din magpasok? Ay, malayo ka na kumakain.
Oo. Pangit pag mainit. Dapat inugluto mo si Tuba.
Kaya na kayo, nagutom pa.
Aw. Hulato na lang natin sila 5 minutes mga on. Tapos mag ano na.
You take a video. Louisa!
Luisa. Sometimes Luisa is a killjoy.
Yeah, I told her.
Mima.
Bakit natakot ka doon?
Magpalit daw siya kuan, medisina.
Iyak ka kulo, Uda. Nice water. Dapat iyan. Ako ah. Di para matry sila ito.
Ayan na sila lahat. Andyan na. Tomo, careful. Okay. Hi, Tomo. Hello. Be careful. So, kompleto na. Ready na kami. Ayan. Ready na. Hello. Isashi. Ayan. Hello. Hi. So yan. Yan ang aming ano. Yan ang aming financer. Joke la. Joke. Ay. You all excited? So excited.
Excited.
Yes. Excited to go swim. Yes. Kain muna. Ah. Mga on-anay. Yeah. Okay, okay. Okay, hang on. Doon. Yes, yes.
Ang tipid nila sa ano, Kendall. Sinutugbalin ko po. Ako busy pa ako.
Si ano, sila Churani or hahabol? Ah, okay, okay.
What is this? Wala na sa likod sa sakyan. Mamaya na, mamaya na.
Oh, kanta, kanta, kanta. Kanta, kanta, kanta. Kanta, kanta, Andre.
Andre, for sure, for sure. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Andre. Blow, 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 blow. Blow, blow. Blow, blow, blow.
Yes! Oh my God!
Yay!
Let's end!
Go ahead, eat na, eat na. Kuya Buyag, go eat na. It's nice, no? Itong jacuzzi, no? The jacuzzi looks... Yeah. Sa Pampanga. Yan, jacuzzi in Pampanga.
Happy Fiesta! Picture na nga, picture!
Happy every day.
Picture! Picture naman, kunuhay. 1, 2, 3! Happy birthday! 1, 2, 3! Okay!
Katima kumaon pa kadihi, ah.
Here.
No, darling. Yeah. Mamaya na. Pag diretso uwi dyan. Ano yung allergy? Iktama nila. Hindi na yan, sapatos. Ano yun? Ventilation sapatos lang. Oh! Oh! Ang ingay ko, pasensya na. Oh my gosh. It's okay. Ayan, tapos na kaming mag-swimming. Pauwi na kami. Pauwi na kami niyan. Ay, sorry. Ano ba yan? So, ayan, pauwi na kami.
We got 7 more days. Yeah. We go back to U.S.
Ayan. Kitaan na sira. Manguli na kami. Tapos na mag-swimming.
Paper bag na yan, dito ilagay sa dulo para maupuan. Ito, yung paper bag na yan. Dito
Ayan.
sa kapro.
So,
Doon ka
Nge.
kay ano? Ay, Butchoy. Nakabihis ka, dito ka.
sasakay ako doon.
Yung gulong. Hindi ka na pinay.
Okay. Ayan. So, thank you so much everyone for watching. Bye-bye.
Say hi!
Abierto eh. Abisado na to.